A study by SAP says that organizations that effectively leverage SAP MM can reduce their inventory cost up to 35%. And this clearly highlights the need for SAP material management and a skilled professional for an organization. Hello and welcome everyone to this video on what is SAP MM or Material Management by ZaranTech. SAP MM is a core module of SAP's ERP system that is designed to support procurement processes, inventory management, and warehouse management. So, from purchase order creation to inventory valuation, SAP MM Professional plays a vital role in ensuring that business have the right material at the right time and at the right cost. So, with this video, we will cover each and every expectation you need to know about what SAP Material Management is. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from us. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
So guys, before we dive deeper into the video, let us look at the agenda first. So we will start with the introduction to SAP MM, then we will try to understand the procurement processes. After that, we will look into the implementation and integration, and finally, we will conclude our video with future trends and developments. So let us start with the introduction of SAP Material Management, that is SAP MM. Now moving ahead, let us try to understand what exactly is SAP MM. SAP Material Management or SAP MM is a core module in the SAP ERP system that handles procurement processes and supply chain tasks. It provides organizations with the tools and functionalities to manage their inventory effectively, streamline the procurement process, and ensure the availability of materials when and where they are needed. SAP MM supports end-to-end procurement activities from material requirements planning to vendor management and invoice verification. By automating and integrating various procurement tasks, SAP MM helps organizations optimize their supply chain operations, reduce cost, and improve overall operational efficiency. Now, moving ahead, we can explore the capabilities of SAP MM. SAP MM offers a wide range of capabilities to support effective material management. It enables organizations to manage their inventory operations effectively, ensuring accurate stock levels and minimizing discrepancies. SAP MM helps maintain optimal inventory levels, balancing the need for material availability with the cost of holding inventory. It provides tools for monitoring and controlling inventory movements, allowing organizations to track stock in real time. SAP MM supports effective supply chain management by facilitating collaboration with the suppliers, automating procurement processes, and providing visibility into the entire supply chain. It enables cost-effective material management by supporting vendor evaluation, price comparison, and contract management. SAP MM also allows organizations to monitor and optimize their material processes, identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies for continuous improvement. Now, let us explore the key features of SAP MM. SAP MM offers a comprehensive set of features to support the entire procurement cycle. It provides functionality for managing purchase requisitions, purchase order, and goods receipt, ensuring a smooth and controlled procurement process. SAP MM offers detailed purchase information, including vendor performance, price history, and lead times, enabling informed decision making. It optimizes material management by supporting material master data maintenance, classification, and valuation. SAP MM enhances inventory management through features like batch management, serial number tracking, and shelf life management. It streamlines supply chain processes by integrating with other SAP modules such as production planning and quality management. SAP MM also provides robust reporting and analytics capabilities, which enables organizations to monitor key performance indicators and make data-driven decisions. Now, moving ahead, Let us dive into the roles of SAP MM. There are several key roles involved in the effective use and management of SAP MM. The procurement process manager is responsible for overseeing the entire procurement cycle from requisition to payment. They ensure compliance with procurement policies, manage supplier relationships, and optimize procurement strategies. The inventory controller monitors and manages inventory levels, ensuring optimal stock availability and minimizing inventory carrying cost. They conduct regular stock reviews, analyzing inventory trends, and implement inventory optimization techniques. The material requirement planner is responsible for forecasting material needs, creating production plans, and ensuring timely availability of materials for the production. They collaborate with the procurement and production teams to align material requirements with supply and demand. The vendor relation managers handle supplier relationships, negotiates contracts, and evaluates vendor performance. They work closely with procurement teams to select and manage suppliers effectively. The integration specialist and user trainer are responsible for integrating SAP MM with other SAP modules and training end users on the effective use of the system. They ensure seamless data flow and process integration across the organization. Now, moving ahead, let us look into the responsibilities of SAP MM. SAP MM plays a crucial role in managing procurement processes and ensuring the smooth flow of material within an organization. One of its key responsibilities is to streamline and automate the procurement process, from purchase requisition to invoice verification. SAP MM helps organizations control their inventory levels, which ensures optimal stock availability while minimizing excess inventory. It supports material requirements planning, enabling organizations to forecast and plan their material needs based on production schedules and sale forecast. SAP MM facilitates effective vendor relationship management, including vendor evaluation, contract negotiation, and performance monitoring. It also handles master data management, ensuring accurate and consistent material, vendor, and purchasing data across the organization. By fulfilling these responsibilities, SAP MM helps organizations optimize their procurement processes, reduce cost, and improve overall operational efficiency. Moving ahead, here we can explore the subcomponents of SAP MM. SAP MM consists of several subcomponents that work together to support the entire material management process. Master data management handles the creation and maintenance of material master records, vendor master records, and purchasing info records. Purchasing management supports the procurement process, including purchase requisition, purchase order, and goods receipts. Inventory management deals with the management of stock levels, stock movements, and inventory valuation. Physical inventory management enables organizations to conduct physical inventory counts and reconcile stock discrepancies. Material valuation determines the value of material based on different valuation methods such as standard price or moving average price. Service management supports the procurement of services, including service entry sheets and service purchase orders. Invoicing verification ensures the accuracy of vendor invoices and enables automated invoice matching the payment processing. These subcomponents provide a comprehensive set of functionalities to support end-to-end material management processes. Now next, the agenda of our list is understanding the procurement processes. So let us start with the introduction to SAP MM procurement process. The procurement process in SAP MM plays a vital role in managing the supply chain effectively and ensuring the availability of material when and where they are needed. SAP MM helps organizations streamline their procurement processes from identifying material requirements to processing vendor invoices. It improves communication and collaboration among all stakeholders involved in the procurement process, including suppliers, vendors, and internal customers. SAP MM supports the entire procurement cycle, enabling organizations to manage their purchasing activities effectively. By automating and integrating procurement tasks, SAP MM reduces manual effort, minimizing error, and improve process efficiency. It provides real-time visibility into the procurement process, which allows organizations to track the status of purchase order, monitor vendor performance, and make informed decisions. SAP MM helps organizations build strong relationships with their suppliers, which ensures timely delivery of material and optimal pricing. So overall, SAP MM's procurement process capabilities enable organizations to optimize their supply chain operation and meet their material requirements effectively. Now, moving ahead, let us look into the main steps of procurement in SAP MM. The procurement process in SAP MM involves several key steps. It begins with identifying the required materials based on production plans, sales order, or inventory levels. Once the material requirements are determined, the next step is to contact suppliers and request quotations. SAP MM supports the creation of purchase requisition, which are internal documents that specify the material needed, quantities, and delivery dates. The purchase requisition is then converted into purchase order, which is a legal document sent to the vendor. The purchase order outlines the agreed upon terms and conditions, including price, quantity, and the delivery details. SAP MM facilitates the sending of purchase order to vendor electronically or via print. When the goods are received from the vendor, SAP MM enables the recording of the goods receipt, updating the inventory levels, and generating a goods receipt documents. And finally, the vendor invoice is verified against the purchase order and goods receipt to ensure accuracy, and the payment is processed accordingly. SAP MM streamlines these procurement steps, providing a structured and controlled process for managing purchasing activities. Now, we move on to detailed procurement process steps. Let us dive deeper into the detailed steps involved in SAP MM procurement process. It starts with the user identifying the required material based on the various factors such as production schedules, sales order, or inventory levels. The user then creates a purchase requisition in SAP MM specifying the material details, quantities, and delivery requirements. The purchase requisition undergoes an approval process based on predefined organizational policies. Once approved, the purchase requisition is converted into purchase order. The purchase order is a legal document that is sent to the vendor, outlining the agreed upon terms and conditions. SAP MM supports various communication methods for sending purchase orders, such as electronic data interchange, that is EDI, or email. When the vendor delivers the goods, the receiving department records the receipt of the goods in SAP MM, updating the inventory levels and generating a goods receipt document. The goods receipt is then matched against the purchase order to ensure accuracy. And finally, the vendor invoice is verified against the purchase order and goods receipt, and payment is processed according to agreed upon terms. SAP MM provides a comprehensive and integrated platform for managing these procurement process steps effectively. Let us now look into the final step in the procurement process. The final step in the SAP MM procurement process involves the delivery of goods and the integration with other processes. Once the vendor delivers the good, they can be sent directly to the customer if required, enabling efficient order fulfillment. SAP MM supports seamless integration with logistics and shipping processes, which ensures a smooth delivery of goods to the end customer. The procurement process in SAP MM is tightly integrated with other modules such as production planning and inventory management, which enables efficient supply chain management. This integration allows organizations to align their procurement activities with production schedules and customer demand. SAP MM helps organizations meet their customer needs efficiently by ensuring the timely availability of materials and the streamlining of the procurement process. The procurement process in SAP MM is not an isolated activity but rather a critical component of overall supply chain management. So, by integrating procurement with the other processes and modules, SAP MM enables organizations to optimize their operations, reduce cost, and improve customer satisfaction. Now, moving ahead, let us explore the implementing and integrating SAP MM. So, let us begin with the integration with other SAP modules. SAP MM seamlessly integrates with various other SAP modules to provide a comprehensive and integrated solution for material management. It connects with the production planning, that is PP module, to align procurement activities with production schedules and ensure the timely availability of materials for manufacturing. SAP MM integrates with plant maintenance, that is PM module, to support the procurement of spare part and maintenance services. It is closely linked to the sales and distribution, that is SD modules, which enables efficient order fulfillment and ensuring the availability of material for sales order. SAP MM supports human capital management module by facilitating the procurement of employee related items such as uniform or office supplies. It connects with the quality management module to ensure the procurement of high quality materials and facilitate quality inspection. SAP MM integrates with the project system, that is PS module, to support project specific procurement requirements and enable accurate cost tracking. It also supports the warehouse management, that is WM module, by providing seamless integration between procurement and warehouse processes. The integration of SAP MM with these modules enables organizations to streamline their end-to-end business processes, improve data consistency, and make informed decisions based on real-time information. Here, we can explore the key steps for integration and implementation of SAP MM. Implementing and integrating SAP MM involves several key steps. The first step in project preparation, where the project scope, objective, and the team are defined. This step involves gathering requirements, accessing the current processes, and defining the project plan. The next step is the business blueprint phase, where the future state processes and the system designs are documented. This involves mapping business requirements to SAP MM functionalities and creating a detailed blueprint document. The configuration step involves setting up SAP MM based on the business blueprint, including master data creation, process configuration, and integration with other modules. Data migration is a critical step where existing data such as vendor and material master data is migrated to SAP MM. Integration testing ensures that SAP MM is properly integrated with other SAP modules and external systems. User training is conducted to make familiar the end users with the new systems and processes. And finally, the go live and support phase involves the actual cutover to SAP MM, providing post implementation support and continuous improvement. These key steps involves a successful SAP MM implementation and integration, which enables organization to realize the benefit of the system. Now moving ahead, let us dive into the benefits of integration and implementation of SAP MM. Implementing SAP MM offers numerous benefits to the organization. It streamlines the procurement processes by automating tasks, reducing manual effort, and enforcing standardized procedures. SAP MM provides real-time insights into material management, which enables organizations to monitor inventory levels, track purchase order, and analyze supplier performance. It enables seamless integration with other SAP modules, which ensures data consistency and enabling end-to-end business processes. SAP MM supports tailored solution, allowing organizations to configure the system based on their specific requirements and business processes. It helps optimize cost by providing visibility into speeding, enabling better negotiation with the suppliers, and reducing inventory carrying cost. SAP MM is scalable, accommodating business growth and expanding procurement needs. It enhances security by providing role based access control, which ensures that users have access only to the data and function they needed. By realizing these benefits, organizations can improve their procurement efficiency, reduce cost, and make informed decisions based on real time data. Now, moving on to the limitation of integration and implementation of SAP MM. While SAP MM offers numerous benefits, there are also some limitations to consider. The complexity of SAP MM can be challenged, especially for organizations new to SAP systems. It requires significant effort to understand and configure the various functionalities and processes. Cost considerations are another factor, as SAP MM implementation and maintenance can be expensive, requiring a significant investment in software, hardware, and resources. Change management challenges may arise during the implementation, as employees need to adapt to the new processes and the way of working. Data migration from legacy system to SAP MM can be complex and time consuming, requiring careful planning and execution. Training requirements are significant, as end users need to be trained on the new system and processes to ensure effective adoption. Now, moving ahead, finally, we can look into the future trends and developments in SAP MM. Let us explore the future trends and developments. SAP MM continues to evolve and adapt to emerging trends and technological advancements. One of the key future trends is the integration of SAP MM with emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. These technologies enable intelligent automation, predictive analytics, and real time decision making in material management processes. Cloud based solutions are gaining prominence, offering scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. SAP MM is evolving to provide cloud deployment options and seamless integration with the cloud platforms. User centric design is becoming increasingly important, focusing on intuitive interfaces, personalized experiences, and mobile accessibility. Intelligent automation will streamline routine tasks such as purchase order creation and invoice processing, freeing up procurement professionals to focus on strategic activities. Data driven decision making will be enhanced through advanced analytics and real time insights, which enables organizations to optimize inventory levels, negotiate better contracts, and improve supplier performance. Supply chain resilience will be a key focus, with SAP MM supporting risk management, supplier collaboration, and agile procurement practices. Sustainability procurement practices will gain prominence, with SAP MM, which enables organizations to track and report on environmental, social, and governance, that is, ESG metrics. Compliance with ESG regulations and standard will be facilitated through SAP MM's procurement processes and reporting capabilities. So these future trends and development will shape the evolution of SAP MM, which enables organization to adapt to changing business needs and drive continuous improvement in their material management processes. So that's all we got in this particular video. I hope now you guys have clear understanding of SAP MM. Also, we post regularly these kind of topics on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.
Hey there, ready to become a supply management whiz? Our SAP ECC Material Management course is here to guide you. You can learn at your own pace on our platform. In this course, you'll dive deep into SAP ECC Material Management. It's like a toolbox for planning things, from making sure we have enough products to get them where they need to be. Our course covers everything from the basics to advanced tricks. It's crafted by experts who know their stuff. Your instructors are seasoned pros, ready to guide you through and answer any questions you may have. And guess what? Our students love the course. Folks just like you have found it incredibly helpful. The best part? It's budget friendly. This fantastic learning opportunity won't cost you an arm and a leg. Ready to become a SAP ECC Material Management Pro? Sign up on our page now. For more details, head over to ZaranTech's website.